Sorobo tironde nigongo kumenya buna muraibense Dr. William Ruto nigolitkolya rero ara umuyiga bogochengera obakoreri bw'abanyanyimbo ba Kenya Air Force asegeka kimyaka 50 noyomo okwana nigo agokera obakoreri bwabo anene ase ogwetumana boigogosira ense ya Kenya ase ogotolia amagima y'abantu chinga kichimbe basokano boigonigo anekia okubwaterana kwa nyimba bone bikosi binde by'abanyanyimbo ili kwendekea omulembe asense ya Kenya na bayigo chinse chinde muri kicho Joma Angi na Mange
Mayaga yogotakibwa omwaka bweribu eyemo kimyaka 54 nigega kosi ky'abanyanyimbo kya Kenya Air Force baba bagochengera emyaka 51 omoroberio obagowekeranwa n'omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto.
The Kenya Air Force at 60
kago kwana chinga kechyo nigo mukomanda omonene bwa banajeshi General Kahariri abagakogokera kogendera gokina gwege kosi ekyo buna emyaka ekonyagosuka korwa ense ya Kenya enyorera obosibole bwaye.
Of the humble beginnings of the Air Force, which was established in 1964, shortly after our independence. From those early days, marked by aspiration and determination, the Kenya Air Force has grown to a formidable force, renowned not only within our borders, but across Africa and beyond. The Kenya Air Force has continually demonstrated excellence in its core mandate, that is defending and maintaining sovereignty of our airspace.
Ensemo yaye omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto nabatogia ase okorwa amagimabo anene mono ase okorenda ense ya Kenya na makungu babeire bakolemereria chinga kibakoenekia obokoreri bwabo.
This is not just a date on the calendar. It is a momentous occasion to honor the unwavering dedication, valor, but beyond the aircraft and technology, it is the people who form the heart and soul of the Kenya Air Force. You, the brave men and women, have dedicated your lives to protecting our people, our territory, and our nation.
Takuonera emeroberi emyabako babagokora asogosire bikosi binde by'abanyanyimbo ogokonya koreta omolembe ase chinse chitonchokanaine na koruwa bokonyi chinga kiense ichekonyora emibasokano.
Your role in maintaining peace and security extends beyond our borders. In Somalia, DRC, and other regions, your efforts have helped to bring stability and peace, reflecting Kenya's commitment to being a force for good in our region and globally. The bravery and professionalism you have demonstrated in these missions have earned you the respect and gratitude of nations and have earned our nation admiration and
asaba kurwa iragoenda kubasira na kubasaba kwenda okora emirimo yabo asenchira yoboikeranu. Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.